Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another What I Eat in a Day video here on the Sam Cooks Kindness YouTube channel. I am Sam, and I am so happy that you are here. Today, I am bringing you along with me for another full day of eating. I am vegan. I've been vegan for 7 years. I am also on a health journey. I have lost 72 pounds up to this point in time, and this October, I've been trying to reel things back in, try to get the scale moving a little bit. But today is a bit of a recovery day. I had a few days planned within this month that I knew I had things going on. I knew my eating would not be 100% perfect, and that's okay. I knew it. I planned for it, and today we're recovering. Yesterday was my brother's wedding, and we had an amazing time. It was very non-traditional, small, very intimate, and it was so beautiful. And I ate pizza. A lot of vegan pizza, actually, and I was not planning to do that, but I did. And I ate a lot of veggies along with it as well. But of course, the scale is reflecting that today. So we are once again making sure that we are not allowing something like that to get us off track. And today we're just getting back to the normal routine and trucking along because life happens and it's okay. I enjoyed it. I had an amazing time. I didn't think twice about it in the moment, and it was great. So today we are reeling ourselves back in. This morning I had a guest for breakfast. My mom stayed over after the wedding. So as you can see, I made 2 bowls of my morning oatmeal. We did cinnamon apple oats with my 1 scoop of vanilla protein in there, quick oats, the usual shebang that I do, microwaved it up and enjoyed that for breakfast. And then I was doing a bit of running around, and it is almost lunchtime at this point, so I'm going to start getting my lunch together now. So this is the first you guys are hearing this, but I have been working on a fall whole food plant-based ebook, and I'm very excited about it. I've been working really hard to get everything together so that I can get it out for fall for you guys. And so I have a lot of leftovers from these recipes that I've been working on. So I'm going to be using a bunch of leftovers to throw my lunch together today. I just pulled all this stuff out of the fridge, and somehow I've managed to collect little bits and pieces of a lot of stuff. So I've got some veggie ground meat and some baked sweet potatoes and a bunch of random things here. I'm going to throw it all together with some air fried veggies on the side, and I will show you kind of what I come up with. My poor garden took a bit of a hit last night. We had our first frost, so I wasn't really paying attention. So I'm collecting the end of what I can for our tomatoes and the greens, and I got peppers in there too, and some of my squashes, but the garden is coming to an end. So my lunch is essentially going to be burger stuffed sweet potato style thing, and just want you to get a beautiful shot of this tomato. I'm going to miss these so much at the end of this season. They're my favorite ones that I grow. And I got pickles and onions here to top off my burger potato. So essentially I've got greens, sweet potato, air fried veggies. I'm topping it with some of my ground meat. It's just lentil, TVP veggie style ground meat, very all purpose. So the ground meat is my burger, and then I'm putting all the burger toppings on top. I've got onion, pickles, tomato, a lot of toppings. And just to make this officially a burger, we're going to top it with some mustard and maybe ketchup. Oh, there we go. Ketchup. Big old pile. So I'm going to cut this up and mix it all together, but it's basically like a burger over a potato in my mind. To me, condiments and toppings are what makes the burger so delicious. And I've got all that stuff that I like on there, the ketchup, mustard, tomatoes, pickles, lettuce, all the things on there, which makes this super delicious, super filling. Tons and tons of veggies. I've got some starches in there from the lentils and the sweet potato. And this is obviously a large portion of food. Should keep me full probably till dinner time. Okay, so you know how I said I was working on a fall ebook? Well, I still need to do recipe testing. So I'm gonna make some cookies. I have some cinnamon cookies that I am trying to kind of go snickerdoodly with, but keeping them whole food plant-based and on the healthier side. So we have to test these, and I'm going to make them right now. But this is a top secret test, so I can't show you everything because then I will spoil it. But I'll show you a little bit and I'll let you know if they turn out good or not. These smell so good. They smell like Christmas. I got some good pictures. Now I can eat it. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, that's good. It tastes like Christmas. They're soft. They're cinnamony. Just enough sweetness. They're not overly sweet. I love that. Like, it would be really good with like a hot cup of tea. This is perfect for like a cozy fall night. Oh, they're so good. And that like cinnamon sugar on the outside gives it just enough of that little like crisp bite. I'm really excited for you to try these when they finally come out. I'm saving that for my Christmas cookie rotation. Yum. I'm currently in my mess of a kitchen right now, trying to figure out dinner for everybody, and it's gonna kind of be pieced together, hodgepodge dinner because, again, I am recipe testing and taking pictures and all the things I need to do to get this ebook done. So we're eating a lot of recipes out of this book, and some of them don't go together, but I'm putting them together because I just gotta make it work. So I have this miso ginger cucumber salad that I threw together earlier. And this is super tasty and flavorful and just a really good cucumber salad to have on hand. A great way to get in our veggies. So I'm having that. And then I also have some potatoes in the oven. It's like a sweet and spicy crispy potato is what I'm going for. And it doesn't really go with the vibe of that cucumber salad, but we're eating it together anyway. And just to make dinner extra weird, I have some tofu in my fridge that's been marinating in pickle juice for quite some time, and it needs to get eaten. So we're really gonna bring this dinner together with some pickled tofu. Pickled tofu, spicy potatoes, and like a Asian style cucumber salad. None of it goes together, but all of it should be delicious. And I'll probably make one other veggie because I feel like the cucumber salad probably won't be enough. So we'll see what that's going to be, but it is what it is. I'm sure it'll all be delicious. It's just that, like, you know, I tend to like to mix my food together, and this is something that I definitely cannot mix together, but it'll still taste good. It'll be an experience. Is it 5:30 at night? Yes. Did I just make myself a nice coffee? Also, yes. Will I regret this decision? I don't think so. I think I'll be okay because we've had a busy week and I'm tired, and I think I just need this to get through the evening. And it may not be the smartest choice, but it is a choice that I'm making in this moment. So these potatoes that I made, it's a recipe for the book, again, but they're so good. They're like a sweet and spicy potato, and there's like a little touch of cinnamon in there, just for like, I don't know, the flavor of these is, the flavor is crazy. It's like sweet and salty, and then you get a little hint of kick, and they're really good, and I'm really excited about them. Yeah, that's all I'll say. So those are the potatoes I'm eating for my dinner tonight. So I'm about to sit down to enjoy this very random plate of food, but I stuck with my, basically how I build every single plate. So half veggies, mostly half starch with a little bit of protein on there. There's some fat in that tofu, and this is gonna be a filling and satisfying meal. I'm very excited about these potatoes. They are very unique, and I really enjoy them. They're very like cozy feeling. So cozy. I'm very excited about this very random dinner. Very random, but delicious all the same. So I just finished wrapping up my kitchen for the night. I am shutting everything down, and I am finished eating for the evening. If I do happen to have something else, I will insert it here for you. Otherwise, I am getting my kiddos to bed now and wrapping up this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got a little inspiration out of it, and I hope it showed you that eating healthy, whole food does not have to be boring. It can be simple and easy and health promoting, and we can enjoy pizza one day and still go back to eating our veggies the next day. So hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so that you never miss another video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!